Hi everyone, here we've got a POCO X3 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable, how to customize, and how to actually turn on or off the watermark. So firstly, let's enter the camera app, and since we are on the photo mode, we can enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on the actual settings, so let's tap on it, and as you can see at the very top of the list of this section of modes, we've got the watermark. Let's tap on it, and as you can see right now, it is completely turned off, so you won't be able to see actually anything on the photo. And here we've got let's say 3 different options of watermarks which we can apply to our photos. First of all, we've got add timestamp on photos option. So in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher. Let me get back to the camera and let's check how it will look like. So let me tap on the shutter button in order to take a photo, and let's check the preview of it. As you can see in this corner, we've got the exact date and time where and when the photo has been taken. So this is the timestamp watermark. So let me enter the settings again, and let me turn off the timestamp, and let's turn on the device watermark. As you can see right now, we've got the custom watermark option activated, so we can tap on it, and here we can freely add our own watermark to it. So obviously you can enter your own name or your company name, and so on and so on. But firstly, let's check how it will look like, how the photo will look like with only the device watermark. So let's go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button, and let's check. And as you can see right now in this left corner, we've got the watermark which is saying that it was shot on POCO X3 Pro. So this is the device watermark, and right now let's customize it. So let's enter it again and tap on custom watermark. So let me enter obviously HardReset.Info, and let's tap on save. As you can see, it immediately appears right here. So after getting back to the camera and taking the photo and checking the preview, obviously we can see that our own watermark has been added here, and right now it is visible on photos. So that was how to turn on the watermark. Obviously you can turn it off the same way, so simply tap on the settings, tap on watermark, and if you'd like to remove the device watermark and your own watermark, just tap on this switcher right here, and from now on your device will take photos without the watermark. It will be clear. So actually that's all. This is how to turn on or off and how to customize the watermark in your POCO X3 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.